Hi folks, my name is Glenn Danford and I am the president and founder of PRC Services. PRC Services is a nonprofit corporation created and dedicated to helping people who are in financial difficulty. We provide free information for those seeking help with debt settlement, bankruptcy, and note modification. For those of you who are struggling with debt, you've thought about going to see an attorney, or possibly your house is in foreclosure or behind in payments, for you to get the help you need, you're going to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. For example, debt settlement is a process that causes a lot of misunderstanding. Debt settlement asks you to quit talking to your creditors. They tell you that you don't need to worry about being pursued legally, or it's not they don't tell you you don't need to be worried. What they do is they don't bring it up. If you look on my website, you'll notice that there is an abundance of information regarding how and what happens when you're pursued legally. My recommendation is not to enter a debt settlement program. They ask you to pay all of their fees over 12 to 15 months up front. They will put nothing in writing as a guarantee, and in the end they are putting together a program that they've already been paid on. I think it's a great industry. I think it's got great potential. I got into the industry. I've been 30 years in credit and collections, real estate lending, note modification, and debt settlement. When I got into debt settlement, I realized the industry had potential. But the problems were, and you can note on the FTC, Federal Trade Commission's website, they'll talk extensively on what the FTC's problem is with debt settlement. So what we've done is we've taken two industries, credit counseling and debt settlement, combined them together. You might ask, well, what does that do? First step would be that you contact all of your creditors and see if they'll negotiate lower interest rate and lower payments. If that doesn't work, then by your own lender's admission, you put them in your own debt settlement program. Something we provide all the steps, we provide the forms, and in the end, you save the money, you control what you do with your creditors, how you settle your creditors. We are here to help you along the way. Now, regarding note modification, if you were to go out today and ask for help with your mortgage, getting a note modification is where you're behind in your payments. You go to your bank and you ask them, please help me renegotiate the terms of my loan. You might have an adjustable that was ready to reset or go up. A lot of people bought homes on interest only, and let's say you're facing an interest only period that comes to an end, or possibly you got a 2-year fixed rate on an ARM and your payment's going to go up 50%. So you're facing one of these situations and you go to your lender and you ask them, can you please renegotiate the terms of my loan? If you were to go out in the marketplace and begin to search for that kind of help, you would end up paying between $2,000 to $15,000 up front. There'd be no guarantee that they could do anything for you, and if they can't do anything for you, they're going to keep anywhere from $300 to $1,000. 1 out of probably 10 note modifications are going to go through. You can go onto our website, run through the qualification process, and see if you in fact could qualify for a note modification, and if you can, I'll give you all the steps, all the information, cover letter, a request that will help you communicate on terms that your lender can understand. Last bit of information on my website is if you're thinking about bankruptcy. There are many different things to consider regarding bankruptcy. There are books that you can buy to do your own bankruptcy yourself and save your attorney fees. It's worth the time to go in and determine, is bankruptcy something that I want to do? It is a useful process for certain individuals under certain circumstances. The problem with bankruptcy is it puts you into a mindset that you're unable to correct any potential problem that took you there. Some people, it's totally out of their control. If you were If you were in a car accident and you became a paraplegic, that could be a problem. So please read on my website, and we hope that we can help you.